video. Colo terroristas. Okay guys, so finally so my mom bought me a stamp kit. Okay, in Stockholm ad, it was really cheap. It's Sailing Express. Simple Little Precious channel has it, but the best thing is I'm not gonna be able to do nail tutorials till Monday to Friday because she told me that because she doesn't like me to go nail paint it to school. I already took it off. And by the way, school does let me go nail paint it, like seriously. And so that's an update. Bye bye guys. Mwah. And probably I'll show you a video Saturday or Friday showing you the kit and me making my own kit. Only I painted my toes. Nope. You can't see it. So bye guys, yeah.